Today I'm making baked avocados. If you've never had a baked avocado, I was kind of in that camp too. I love avocados. I love avocado toast. I love guacamole and all things with avocados on it. But a baked avocado, yeah. And then I had one and it was so delicious. I'm like, I can't wait to replicate this at home. And that's what I'm doing. I'm going to do a crab stuffed baked avocado. This is so delicious. And I'm starting with a 12-ounce package. I'm going to use imitation crab. It's going to make it less expensive. And I bought a 12-ounce package of the all-natural imitation crab. It was the flake style. And then I chopped it up very finely myself, just kind of like this. I want it very fine to be able to pack into my avocados. It needs just a pinch of salt. And then I'm going to use some mayo. And I want probably for this 12-ounce package about a quarter cup of mayo to pull this all together, and that's just about it. And then sriracha, and this heat level up to you. So I'm going to make these a little bit on the spicy side, and this is probably about 2 tablespoons of sriracha, and I want to mix it all together. And I'm going to add some scallions in here. I've done this with chives and I've done this with scallions, but it just gives it a nice oniony flavor along with everything else and a little bit of texture. And then I also have some bacon. I don't want a whole lot of bacon in here because I'm going to actually put bacon on the top when I stuff my avocados. But this looks really good already. And at this point it's like a really nice crab salad and you can just eat it as is. But we're going to stuff the avocados. I have one perfectly ripe avocado, and I've cut it in half. I've taken out the pit that's in the middle, and I'm just going to actually use my hands because it helps. You need to kind of form this into the avocado to make it stick. And so I'll put some on here with my spatula, but then I'm going to use my hands to kind of form it. And this 12-ounce mixture should do about 6 avocados for you. So good. All right, we're going to add some good melting cheese. This is a manchego. It melts pretty nicely. I typically will use like a goat's milk cheddar. It melts a little bit better than this, but I'm using what I have on hand. I'm just a big proponent of don't rush to the store to buy individual ingredients. Try to compensate with what you have on hand. And you kind of duck and dive and adjust as you need to. There's that. And some of this is going to melt off and make crispy bits on your parchment paper. And those we're going to use to top the crab at the end. It looks so pretty. I'm going to put a few bacon sprinkles on here. And just a few more scallions. And I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. And these will take between 15 and 20 minutes. The avocado will be nice and soft and warm, and everything on top will be all melted together and absolutely delicious. This is incredible. My avocados are done. Man, I can't wait to dive into these. I let them cool just a little bit because the crispy bits of melted cheese that are on my parchment paper, I wanted them to kind of set up just a little bit. The avocados remained nice and warm. This is just so fabulous. And once you've had one of these, you won't believe how good they are. So, so good. All right, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of this crispy cheese. You've got like little bits of it all over the parchment paper. It's so cute. And then just kind of stick it in to your melty avocado. That is phenomenal. Look how pretty that is, and it's really good. I had extra scallion and bacon here if I wanted to add them to this, but I'm just going to go straight into this one. And all you do is, I like to eat it with a spoon, so you can dig down and get all that melty goodness in there. Oh my word. Holy guacamole, that's really good. A little bit of that crispy manchego. Lovely. So my husband is working in the studio. I'm going to bring one of these to him. He's going to be a happy man. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching Taylor Kitchen. For recipes and a whole lot more, go to taylorkitchen.net. Thanks again.